In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in cPanel. So if you have a brand new website and you want to go and install WordPress to that domain, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing we need to do is just go and log in to your cPanel account. Now, if you're not sure how to get to this page, you can usually go and type in the name of your domain, followed by a /, and then you can go and type in cPanel and press enter. Now from here, you'll just need to go and log in with your username and password. You can also access the cPanel via your web hosting account. Now from this page, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see this option for WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Now we're just going to click on this, and if you have any current installations on your web hosting account, you'll see this here, but we're just going to go and press install. You can then scroll down and we're going to click on this drop down menu and make sure you have HTTPS selected. You can then click on the drop down and go and select the domain that you want to install this to, and make sure the directory is blank like so. You can then scroll down and go and set a site name and also a site description. Now you can always change this once WordPress has been installed. You'll then need to go and set up an admin username and also password for your WordPress website. Now it's really important that you remember this information, as this is how we're going to access our website. You can then go and set an admin email, and then we're going to scroll right down to the bottom and click on install. Now after a couple of seconds, that's going to install WordPress to your website. So now if you scroll down, you can see we have this link, and this is what we need to use in order to access our WordPress dashboard. So if I go and click on this, this is going to take us straight over to our WordPress dashboard. And if I come up to the top and click on visit website, you can now see that WordPress has been installed. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.